Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Nintendo. Currently, Roblox is not officially available on any Nintendo Switch console. This means you cannot simply download an application from the Nintendo eShop or directly install the game. While some unofficial methods exist, they are not supported by Roblox or Nintendo and often come with significant risks for your device and data. It's important to understand these limitations upfront. You might wonder why Roblox isn't officially on the Nintendo Switch. The primary reason is that Roblox Corporation has not developed a dedicated version for the console. There are also technical differences in the system architecture that present development challenges. Furthermore, business decisions and specific platform agreements between companies play a significant role in what games are released on which consoles. Nintendo also has strict guidelines for game development and publishing. While there's no official way, some users explore unofficial methods like cloud streaming services to access Roblox. These services usually require a separate monthly subscription fee, which can vary. It's crucial to remember that performance with cloud streaming depends heavily on having a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally with download speeds of at least 25 megabits per second. These methods are not endorsed by either Roblox or Nintendo and may not always work reliably. Looking ahead, official availability of Roblox on Nintendo Switch could change if Roblox Corporation decides to develop a version. Strong user demand from millions of players might certainly influence such development decisions in the future. For now, it's best to stay updated by regularly checking official news channels from both Roblox and Nintendo. However, as of today, direct and officially supported play of Roblox on a Nintendo Switch console is simply not an option for users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.